What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you guys are new to the channel, hi there. Today, I want to talk about the iPhone 12 mini and MagSafe. We've heard a couple things about this guy right here charging the iPhone 12 mini at only 12 watts instead of the 15 watts it charges the iPhone 12, the 12 Pro, and the 12 Pro Max. But I really want to put it to the test and see actually how fast is the iPhone 12 mini when you charge it with the MagSafe charger rather than if you use the normal lightning cable to charge your iPhone. And for this video to happen, I actually had to kind of forcefully use this phone and drain it. It's at 41% right now, but I'm gonna put it to the test for about 10 minutes with each the lightning connector and the MagSafe charger. But before I do dive right in, I really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm, as we have recently passed 5,000 subscribers, and so we can reach our next goal of 10,000 subscribers. Anyway, let's dive right in. Okay, so as I said in the beginning of the video, iPhone 12 mini and the MagSafe charger. This normally charges at 15 watts, but when you charge it with the iPhone 12 mini, it charges at only 12 watts. Now, I'm pretty sure that's because smaller battery and to keep it from overheating and whatnot. So I'm gonna put it to the test. It is currently 12:45, but I'm going to charge it for 10 minutes. I'll probably start 46, 47, whatever. I'll put it for 10 minutes on the MagSafe charger and then 10 minutes on the lightning charger and see exactly how fast each of them charge, and is MagSafe worth it for the iPhone 12 mini. As you notice, it magnetically connects, and we have that magnetically charging logo right there. That's pretty cool if you ask me. But let's get right into it and see how fast it really charges. So time 12:46. Once it hits 12:47, I will be putting this guy in charge. It is currently at 41%. So let's fast forward a little bit. Alrighty, 12:47, let's go. All right, so after 10 minutes, let's see what we have. 55%, so 14% in 10 minutes. Now, let's go ahead, 12:58, we're gonna plug this in at 55. There we go. Now, one thing to do note, mainly the new 12 mini, the new 12 series, and all the other iPhones, if you get a new iPhone, whether it's the 11 or the 10R, they don't come with the brick anymore. So just to keep that in mind, I do have an extra 20 watt brick that I'm using with the iPhone 12 mini with the lightning cable. So just do keep that in mind. If you have an older 5 watt, that's gonna charge much slower. So if you don't have one, go pick up the 20 watt charging brick for your new iPhone. Anyway, 10 minutes. Let's see where we get with the lightning cable. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. Now look at that, from 55 to 63 in 10 minutes. Would you look at that? So, I mean, it's definitely less than the MagSafe charger. So if I were to plug it in just like that and it magnetically connects, I can even use the iPhone 12 mini or any iPhone, whichever new iPhone you have, while it's charging. Whereas when you charge it with the lightning connector, first of all, it gets in the way, it's annoying. And second of all, from 10 minutes, it definitely is slower than the MagSafe charger. I don't know, it's up to you. Now, you can go ahead and give it a try and charge it from 0 to 100 and see how it is. But from 10 minutes, I mean, it seems it's faster charging it from the MagSafe charger. And the great thing is, Apple released their cases that also have that connection. I'm pretty sure third parties are also going to get on board by having accessibility with the MagSafe charger. Anyway, that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. So verdict is, I don't know, for me, I'm going to say I definitely recommend MagSafe charger, and this is going to be their introduction to what we want as a portless iPhone. And in fact, next year we'll probably see that, a portless iPhone, maybe in the Pro series, who knows. But this is pretty much saying, hey, look, we're giving you this MagSafe charger, but be sure that in the next year or two, we're going to be getting rid of the Lightning connector. They're not going to go USB-C. We're just going to get rid of the connector all in all, and we're going to have you guys use MagSafe as your main way to charge your device. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.